Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is what that fake claw looks like after I get through with it. That's a finishing nail sticking out of it, and I measured that so that will stick down into the handle. And I've got this thing, I sanded this part off, and I'll show you what it looks like before I sand it off. This is what the claw looks like. It's probably 1.25 inches long. That's about as big as I could get. I wanted where they'd stick up through my fingers. I got kind of big fingers. And that little label just comes off. But I'll take and sand all that down and get it to where it'll fit. But I'll show you what I've done. That claw is set. I've got debris in that middle hole right there, and that's where this next claw, I've had to sand it a little bit more to get it to fit. And what I'll do, I'll make a little pool of contact cement, and I'll immediately just push that claw in there. And what I'll do, I'll let that sit and get firm, and then I'll take and fill in the sides of the claw real slowly with contact cement. It takes me about 2 tubes to do 1 claw, and I'm okay with that. I just want it to be nice. And that one's in there pretty good. And like I said, this ain't gonna be a working knife. This is just purely to show off. And I'm happy with the results that are coming, but it'll just be to fit my hand unless somebody has a hand close to mine. And because I had to put marks on here with a Sharpie to get the spaces right for my fingers. And like I said, I'll have 5 claws on here altogether, and then I'll coat it with something and it'll be good to go. Thanks for tuning in for part 2 of the deer antler knife. Like I said, I've been wanting this thing for close to 50 years, and I'm finally getting it. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.